Hi, I'm Greg Huber. I'm the president and founder of Signature Team Building, an experience-based team building and leadership development program that has been around for more than 30 years. As a company devoted to experiential learning, all of our programming is done in person. But since COVID-19 hit back in March, we had to pivot and we came up with a program similar to our Shifting Gears program that can be done virtually. Between the middle of March and the middle of July, we've delivered this program to more than 3,500 people and more than 30 different companies around the world. To create this new virtual version of Shifting Gears, we went into our archive of hundreds of different activities that we normally do in person. We selected just a few of the activities if they met the following criteria. Number one, are they fun? Number two, are they engaging? Will they hold people's attention? Number three, do they have to be done in person? And number four, is there still a learning or an outcome connected to the activity so it has real value for the organization and for the people that are participating? I'm going to take you through a little bit of a tour of our virtual Shifting Gears program and show you how some of these activities work. We begin the virtual Shifting Gears program by identifying the goals and objectives set forth by the client. Anything in red can be changed and customized to meet each organization or client's needs. Like our in-person Shifting Gears program, virtual Shifting Gears is customized each time we conduct it. We have several activities to choose from, and participants will go to our website to download various activities that we have planned for each program. Here's an example of an activity we might do with a group. First, we would take the large group and break them into breakout rooms. One person in the breakout room would access this activity from our website and download it. They become the driver for the group. Then, giving the group's input, they would work the solution for this particular problem. In arrowheads, what they're trying to do is create 4 arrowheads out of the 7 pieces. The way that works is one person would manipulate the pieces to create the 4 arrowheads. Once the 4 arrowheads are created, then they move the 4 arrowheads in place so that they create a 5th arrowhead. Many of the activities, we'll take a few minutes to reflect on how the group showed up during the activity and what learnings can be taken back to the workplace. That's just one example of an activity that we can do virtually without having to be in person, yet still is engaging, fun, challenging, and gets a group working together. We're proud of the feedback we've been receiving on our virtual Shifting Gears program. People are consistently saying the time flew by and I didn't realize you could do something so powerful where I could learn so much in a virtual team building experience. Here's a few more details about the virtual Shifting Gears program. The time frame for the program is about 2 hours. We can shorten that down to an hour or an hour and a half, but 2 hours seems to be the right amount of time. We use the Zoom platform, and the cost is only $25 per person. Some discounts might be available for groups of 100 or more. We know you might have more questions, so please feel free to reach out to me. I can be emailed at greg.huber@signatureteambuilding.com, or you can call at 804-651-8888. We hope to work with you soon.